So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Visual C++ 2013. And now once to run this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. You want to download x86 and x64, so tick both of them, and then click on download. Once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them, and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. You want to install them one by one. I'm going to start with x64. I'm going to double click on it. Once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It should now start installing. Once that's been done, we can now close out of this. Next, we're going to install the other one, x86, double click on it. And again, tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Once that's been done, we can now close out of this. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.